Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, April the 5th, 2010. Well, a very bullish candle today, and we have a very large green-bodied candle, and that green body tells us that the buyers have made some very solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. The market has opened at the low and closed at the high, which also indicates that the bulls have closed in control of this market, and they've shown very strong commitment to taking this market higher. The bulls have actually been in control of this market all day between the open and the close. The buyers are also very keen, and we gauge that by the distance that the close is away from the previous close, so it's a fair way away, so very keen bulls as well. Now, the important thing here is that the market has taken out that strong or important area of resistance at 1179. That area was tested on 2 occasions, and there was initially strong downside price rejection. Then the market rallied to there, and there was only a moderate amount of downside price rejection, and that set the market up for retesting the area again today. Now that the market has had a very solid bullish close up above there, then there isn't any resistance overhead until the market trades up to around 1200. So it's most likely that the market will continue in this first time frame uptrend that was established the day before today, last Thursday, and it should continue to test the 1200 region, which may be significant for this market around number, so we should be interested to see how the market reacts to around that level. Now, the market is trading a fair way up above the cloud or the Kumo, so the market is overall bullish, and it is starting to look a little bit overextended. So as we know, markets behave like a rubber band, so there is a chance that eventually this market will retrace back towards this area, but there aren't really any indications at the moment. Just looking at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the market is trading up above those, so the market's bullish, and the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen. So another bullish indication from our Ichimoku indicators. Both of these lines are also pointing up fairly solidly and in a fairly sharp angle, and that represents the fairly strong upside momentum that this market has. So illustrating that the trend that the market's in both of these time frames is very strong. Now, interestingly, when the market is in a very strong trend, if it does happen to retrace, the first area that we should see some support is at the Tenkan-sen here, and that's at 1174. So if the market does come off, then there should be fairly strong support at that level, and there's strong support all the way down through to the cloud, which is around 1096, so coinciding roughly with this 1100 region. Very strong areas of support, including the Kijun-sen at 1142. So overall, we have a quite a bullish market. This market should continue up on its way and test the 1200 region. If it does come off, initially watch this 1179 and then the Tenkan-sen at around 1174.